Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate this iconic Sailor Mars look in DTI. So let's channel your inner guardian of fire and passion with this Sailor Mars inspired outfit in DTI. From her fierce red aesthetic to her bold energy, this video shows you how to bring Rei Hino's iconic look to life. And let's start with the hair. So first for the hair, I'm going to use this long wavy hair from the petal updates and make it black. And I'm going to combine it with this masculine hair, this one, also in black color. And as for the outfits, first I'm going to put on this items from the code items. Here I'm going to use this eyelashes and just put on this top in here, and then toggle it into just no collar and no sleeves. And here I'm going to make the color all white. And I'm going to also put on this one, this jacket, but use the top only, and also make the color white. And here let's finish the outfit. So first I'm going to grab this skirt, toggle it into number 2 and make the color red like this. And I'm going to put on this top. Sorry for the jacket, let's remove that. So this top in here, toggle it into full length. And then for the shoe, I'm going to grab this heels and make the color red. And here I'm going to grab this bow, toggle it into number 3 and make the color dark purple like this. And let's grab the gloves, this one, and make the fur color red. Now we can just put on the accessories. So first I'm going to put on this hat piece here, and I'm going to use the adjustment feature. So I'm going to lower it like this and change the color into red. And also this necklace in red like this. And just like that, the look is done now. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.